Hello YouTube, good morning everyone, or good afternoon, good evening. Okay, so the issue I'm having today is with this EPSON ET2720. So the issue I'm having is, even though you put paper there, when you press print, it doesn't go through. It's a basically paper fit problem. So what you need to do first is check if anybody dropped something in here. My kids. Let's see what we got. I don't know if you can see it, but check if there's anything dropped there. You see that? I found something that the kids dropped. So that's the thing that need to come out. So let's put a plier, grab it. You see that? See that? The kids dropped this, some kind of toy stuff. So that was basically blocking. So make sure there's nothing dropped there, and everything is cleared. So now let's try to print and see if it works. If this fix it, that's basically one of the issue. All right, I'll let you know. All right, moment of truth. Let's try to print. Let's see. See that? Yep. It works, yeah. So basically that's what you guys have to do. Hope this helps. It could not be the only reason. It might need some cleaning or something like that, but that's the first thing. My kids definitely threw some kind of playing around, some kind of rubber. 3-year-olds, they do that. So yeah, that's one thing that would block you from having the paper fit issue. All right, hope this helps. Ciao.